Why choose Halter? Now we're here at the first MTA Halter Workshop talking about, we've got some live demos, we've got talks, we've got technical demos, so we're going to find out why you should choose Halter for your next automation project.
The Halter automation system, so the Halter Load Assistant, is a very smart tending system for loading and unloading CNC machine tools. What we see in the back is the Halter Universal Premium. The Universal stands for the universal use for either turning lathes or milling machines, for example 5-axis. We also have two other models. That's a turn stacker, so a stacking system, and a mill stacker stacking system for rectangular parts for milling appliances. We can move the one Halter system to up to 4 CNC machines, either milling or turning, and that gives you a lot of flexibility in your production. One day you can set up the system to tend a lathe, and maybe the next week or the day after you can set it up for your 5X machine.
The best part of the Halter system for us is the fact that it's versatile. You can offer stacker systems, you can offer grid plate systems, universal systems. It can be moved from machine to machine. It can go turning, milling, so there's endless opportunities really.
Well, I think it fits really well with what we do. Obviously we are work holding specialists, but we also have IMCA as our bar feeding automation solution, and so this ties in really nicely with that offering so that we're now able to offer tending solutions for lathes and mills for billet applications over and above bar work with the bar feeders. One of the things I really like about the Halter is the ability to be able to move it between machines. It can be programmed to move between up to 4 machines, and it can be moved from one machine to another in about 45 minutes.
So this is our first workshop today. We've had plenty of customers come along, all various people, end users, OEMs, and they've all give great positive feedback, and they've all been surprised at the extent of the versatility is with the system.
I'm here today to understand a bit more about automation, to generally find out what it's about. So at Maple we make safety and security products for the logistics industry. In essence, we make locks for trucks. Today I've learned that there's a lot of adaptability with the Halter system. So I think the best part of this system is the smart control. It's ease of programming and the fact that you're not dependent on the pendant. So there's a part that we have which we run about 1,000 off a year. That's something that this sort of Halter automation system could help us with, and that's what I'm here to understand.
We're looking at the Halter automation system just to make it more flexible for our customers. Instead of it being a bespoke system that we've had to design, we can just say that Halter do it for us. I think the programming is really good because it's conversational. It's just asking questions: diameter of billet, length of billet, is it offset from the fixture? It's nice and simple, and that's what people need.
So the Halter event today has basically shown me that the capacity for these robot systems is actually a lot higher than I originally thought. And you can sort of stack them in different ways to increase the overall capacity of the billets, but also that it's not restricted to billets. You can also do castings. They can make specialist one-off designs for your castings, also to make them easier for the operators to load correctly as well. It makes them just really flexible.
The feedback that we've had has been really positive. A lot of people are really impressed with the simplicity of the smart control. You can literally teach someone to operate the smart control in less than half an hour. So it's really taking the fear away from automation that a lot of people have.